Making changes while designing your PDFs should feel effortless. With Jotform PDF Editor, you can instantly undo or redo your edits, making it easy to experiment without worrying about mistakes. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to use undo and redo in Jotform PDF Editor. Let's get started. Open the Fillable free paystub PDF template from the Jotform PDF Templates gallery. Once the template opens in the PDF editor, let's make a couple of changes. First, let's rename the PDF name from top left corner as paystub PDF 2026. From the Document Elements panel, drag a heading element onto the document and place it beneath the paystub title. Double-click the heading and enter Payroll Summary. Next, use the gear icon to change the heading color to blue. If you'd like to go back, simply click Undo in the top left corner. The color change is reversed. Click Undo once more. The heading is removed, returning the document to its previous state. Changed your mind? Click Redo. The heading is restored. Click Redo again. The blue heading color is applied again, restoring your latest edits. Undo and redo give you complete control over your editing process, making it easy to reverse recent actions or restore previous changes whenever you need them. This lets you freely experiment with layouts, content, and styling without worrying about losing your progress. Now let's review the final results. Turn on Preview PDF from the top right corner to see exactly how your document will look when it's generated. Previewing your document lets you quickly verify your changes before sharing or printing your PDF. And that's how you can use undo and redo in Jotform PDF Editor. Design confidently, experiment freely, and restore previous changes in just a click. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.